Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're syncing Arc browser settings between Mac and iPhone. Okay guys, so open Arc on your Mac and then click Command plus comma, and this will launch your main settings control deck. If you're on Windows, you can just click on this A button and then go to Settings. Locate the toggle for the brand new end-to-end encrypted Arc sync architecture and switch it to on. So as you can see on Windows, it's also available. Just flip this on. Then guys, you need to grab your mobile device next. As you can see, we can save the new recovery phrase. I won't need that, but if you want to, you can just press on save and save it to your PC, or just copy it right, then move away and, I don't know, type it into some notepad or something like that. And on your mobile device, you need to download and open Arc Search from your App Store. Enter your settings profile panel and log in using the exact same email credentials you just configured on your desktop. And the second the profile connects, your Mac's active spaces, custom folders, and pinned tabs will instantly clone down into your mobile interface. Also guys, keep this in mind. While your spaces are pinned, sheets sync perfectly. While your spaces and pinned sheets sync perfectly, temporary tabs opened natively on your phone do not sync back upstream to your Mac. Saved passwords, local browser history, and custom desktop extensions will also remain securely sandboxed on their native devices. So now your cross-platform browsing engine is completely locked in and unified, keeping your active project workflows fully accessible. That's it. Enjoy the sync, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe.